Hello guys, hello, good morning, good morning, good morning. Today, what's the weather like? Let's see what the weather is like. Okay, today is the weather sunny? Is it sunny? No, it's not sunny. Let's see. Is the weather, or is the weather cloudy? Cloudy. See all the clouds? See? The clouds. See the clouds? Is it cloudy? Maybe it's cloudy. Or is it snowy? Snowy? See, he's skiing. It's not snowy. Maybe it's... What do you think? Do you think it's maybe it's rainy? Yes, today it's raining. Oh no, we need an umbrella, okay, to not get wet. So today is rainy. Very good. Today it's rainy. Very good. It's rainy. Now guys, how are you today? How are you today? Me? Happy. What about you? Let's everyone stand up and let's sing the song, okay? If you're happy, clap your hands. If you're happy, clap your hands. If you're happy, clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy, clap your hands. Angry, stamp your feet. If you're angry, stamp your feet. If you're angry, stamp your feet, stamp your feet. If you're angry, stamp your feet. Angry. You angry? Scared, say oh no. Oh no. If you're scared, say oh no. Oh no. If you're scared, say oh no. Say oh no. If you're scared, say oh no. Oh no. Scared? If you're sleepy, take a nap. If you're sleepy, take a nap. If you're sleepy, take a nap. Take a nap. If you're sleepy, take a nap. Are you sleepy? Yes, you're sleepy, aren't you? If you're happy, clap your hands. If you're happy, clap your hands. If you're happy, clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy, clap your hands. Very good, guys. Okay. Now, so, how are you today? Happy? Very good. Maybe sleepy, huh? Maybe sleepy. Okay, guys. Now, it's morning. Very good. Now, we woke up. It's morning. Morning. Okay, it's morning. This is afternoon, evening, and night. Okay, so let's see this little video. Okay.
Hello, children.
Okay, so look over here. Morning. Oh, we wake up. Morning. Afternoon, the sun. See, the sun is up, so afternoon. Evening, the sun goes to sleep. It sets. Evening. And at night, we go to sleep. Very good. What's this? Morning. Very good. This one? Afternoon, evening, and night. Good job. Morning, evening, afternoon, night. Good job. So, morning, night, afternoon, and evening. Good job. Okay. Okay, guys. Now, what are these? These are our numbers. Very good. Our numbers. Let's see. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good. One more time. These ones are easy, so let's say them fast, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, repeat after me, okay? I want to hear you. 11, okay? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 20. Very good. Okay, now let's hear the song. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Very good. Okay. Now, faster. Count with me. Count with me from 1 to 20. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. Okay, guys, now, what season is this? It's winter. Yes, we are still in winter. See, the tree has no leaves. No leaves. Very good. Winter. See, in winter it is cold. It's cold. It snows. See, the snowflake. We have Christmas. We can build a snowman. What is this? It's a hat. What color is a hat? It's black. And this is a scarf. And what color is this scarf? It's red. red. Very good. These are buttons. 1, 2, 3 buttons. What color are the buttons? They're black. Good job. And the nose. What is the nose? It's a carrot. It's a carrot. What color is the carrot? It's orange. Orange. Good job. Okay. Because it's cold and we have to keep warm, we wear a big jacket. Jacket. What color is this jacket? Light blue. Good job. And we wear a scarf like our snowman. What color is the scarf? Is it red? No, no, no. This one is purple. We wear a hat. We wear a hat. What color is this hat? Green. Yes, it's green. And we also wear mittens in our hands. Mittens. Mittens. What color are these mittens? They're green. Good job. We wear boots. Boots. What color are these boots? They're purple. Purple. Good job. And we wear purple. Yes. And we wear boots, not purple. Now, winter is somewhat long. It's from 21st December to 20th of March. So it's almost over. Yes, almost over. Finished. Okay. During winter, we can, what's this? Skate. We can skate. Skate like penguins. Or we can ski. We can ski like Santa. Good job. Now, during winter, some animals go to sleep. They go to sleep because it's very cold. Okay? When animals go to sleep or hibernate, okay? Porcupine, porcupine, skunk, skunk, turtle, turtle, squirrel, squirrel, and the bear. Very good, bear. What color is a porcupine? It's brown and light brown. Good job. The skunk is gray, white, and pink. Very good. The turtle. What color is the turtle? The turtle is green. Green. Good job. What about the squirrel? Look at the squirrel. It's really cute. The squirrel is an orange brown. Orange brown. Okay? And the bear is brown. Good job. Okay. Now, let's sing our dance, freeze dance song. Okay, you ready? Stand up, stand up, stand up. When skating, penguins skate, skating all the way. See, they're skating, they're skating. Stop when I say freeze.
Get ready to ski like Santa.
Ski like Santa. Santa skiing, Santa ski, skiing all the way. Ski like Santa, see? Santa is skiing. Stop when I say freeze.
Get ready to do the jingle bell hop.
Jingle bell hopping, jingle bell hopping, hopping all the way. Hop, 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 hop. Stop when I say freeze.
Get ready to do the jingle.
Okay, guys, now we are finished. I will see you tomorrow.